Hi there, welcome to Friday's market commentary. Bad day in the markets today. If you're bullish, excellent day in the markets. If you're a bear, S&P 500 down 43 points today. Nice sell-off here. So let's kind of just look at the last few days and see what really happened here in the marketplace, because we had a complete reversal here. Starting back in mid-March, we had the lows here, 1275 on the S&P 500. We were coming up higher, making some higher lows here. Everything was looking pretty positive for us. At the same time, our highs were also moving higher, so we had a nice stair-stepped marketplace moving higher. Then we had our first good pullback, which we were waiting for, and it pulled back to 1375 in mid to late May. Then we bounced up, and then we bounced up to just a little right around 1400 or so, which was beneath our last high, right in through here, beneath our last two highs at 1425 and about 1420. So what we did is we made a lower high, came back down to 1375 support level, bounced back to 1400 again. And so what we're doing, we're trying to set up a kind of reversal. And then today we had some heavy selling coming down, which has sent the market lower, and it closed at the low. And so the only reason the market stopped and closed at this level where the S&P was down 43 points is because the bell rang and the market had to close for the traders to stop. Very bearish day. It could have been worse if the markets were open a little bit longer. So everything tells us right now, we're taking a look at this, that we've got now a higher, we've got a high here at 1425, the next high over here at 1400. So now we've got a lower high, and we also have some lower lows coming across. So we're starting to show a reversal here to some short-term bearish movements. So let's call ourselves right now, we'll call ultimate resistance here at 1425, and our next support level is going to come all the way down here to about this 1325 level for support. So currently I'm short-term bearish on the S&P 500, longer-term neutral. We haven't really broken out of this sideways pattern coming through here. So longer term we're just kind of neutral, and we're just trading in between here right now. Longer term neutral, short term bearish with support at 1325 and resistance at 1425. All right, let's take a look now at the NASDAQ and see what happened with this one today. And here's our chart of the NASDAQ. Looks much stronger than the S&P 500 is. We've got our supports coming down here at the same time at this 2200, and then our lows started making some higher lows. Got a nice run. Pulled back here in mid to late May to about the 2450, which is going to be our new support, and resistance coming across here at 2550. So right now we've got a nice uptrend coming here, but we had some heavy selling today to the downside where the NASDAQ closed much lower. 75 points is a huge sell-off day for us. So we got resistance 2550, support 2450. So if you're doing any kind of spreads, you probably want to stay above this 2550 and beneath this 2450 level here for all of your spreads. The market on the NASDAQ, I'm going to call it short-term neutral, because we haven't really broken any of our support levels here. When we come back and we break this 2450, we can go short-term bearish on it. But right now we're going to go short-term neutral on the NASDAQ, and a little longer term. Although we've got a nice uptrend going here because the market's had such a pull-off, I'm going to go longer-term neutral on the NASDAQ just because I'm not sure what's going to happen. So short-term bearish, longer-term neutral. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.